Now we have an opposite problem as compared to the previous one. Again, we have a right triangle and an inscribed circle with points of contacts D, E, and F. All right. And these measures, the distance from A to D is given as 15 centimeters, from D to C is given as 14 centimeters. And what we have to do is we have to find the length of a radius. So what you have again is this angle is right angle because of being angle for the tangent line and the radial line, right angle, right angle. So if the radius is r, then what happens is this will be r and so will be this. And then after that, what we are trying to determine again, the r, so we are just trying to form an equation. So what we have is that this value, because again, these are the segments that are tangents from external point C. So this will become 14 centimeters. Okay. And likewise, this one is going to become how much? Let me make it blue. This portion is going to become 15 centimeters, right? So in this manner, what we have is that this leg of the right triangle is r plus 14, okay? And the other leg is how much? R plus 15. So what we have is we got r plus 15, r plus 14 as the two legs of this right triangle. And how much is the hypotenuse? Sum of these two segments, right? Which will be 15 plus 14 is how much? That's 29 centimeters, right? And we will now use the Pythagorean theorem and actually going to do more of like solving quadratic equations than this geometry. Okay, so let me just do it in a relaxed manner. So this is going to be r square plus 30r plus 225, then plus r square plus 28r plus 196, and that equals 29 square, that is 841. Okay, so we have r square plus r square is 2r square, and these two together will be 58r. 229 plus 196 will be 421. I hope I did it correct. And that is, what did I write here? 841. Cannot read even my own handwriting, right? 841. So we get 2r square plus 58r, and then minus, we get 0, 2, so negative 420. Now we can divide by 2 to make it lighter. So this is r square plus 29r minus 210. Okay, so we can go ahead and find the factors of 210 that may add up to 29. So if we say start with 2, that's not going to work because that's 105. 3 is 70, too much. 4 is not even a factor of this. 5 will make it 42, too big. 6, 210 over 6 would be how much? 35. And of course it has to be negative 6. And that does give us this value 29. So what do we get is r plus 35, then times r minus 6. And you can use the quadratic formula if you don't like factoring. So r equals negative 35. That's not a value acceptable to us. So the answer is how much? That this radius is 6 centimeters, or 6 centimeters is your answer. Okay.